the fundamental units of life, we have discussed about the diffusion process and osmosis process and how it takes place in the unicellular organisms, isn't it? So, if you have any doubts regarding this, you can freely ask me and I will try to clear your doubts. Okay, students? So, we have seen the three features which bind up the cell. That is, the three features means plasma membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. This is which is the structure of a cell based upon these three features, isn't it? So, today we are going to discuss about one more feature which binds up the cell, which protects the cell and which gives a proper strength to the cells of the plants. So basically we are studying about the plant cells. So students, can you see this diagram? Yes. So here this is a structure of cell. Okay. So this is a structure of cell where here is the nucleus. This outer covering is the nuclear membrane and this jelly-like substance which is surrounded the nucleus is called as what? Cytoplasm. And this is the selectively permeable membrane that is called as plasma membrane or cell membrane. So there is one more outer covering. So this is a rigid outer covering just outside the plasma membrane. Can you see this? Just outside the plasma membrane. So this is called as what? Cell wall. So let us see what are the functions of cell wall. So this plant cell wall is mainly made up of what? Cellulose. It is made up of cellulose. So cellulose is a complex substance. It is not a simple substance. And this complex substance provides strength to the plants. This cellulose provides strength to the plants. Means it gives structural support. It gives protection from the external environment. Means even if the solution outside is hypotonic, then it allows the cell to protect from that water molecules. Even if the water molecule is more outside, the cell wall helps the cell prevents the cell from bursting. So this is what the cell wall protects the plant cell. So what does it do? It gives structural support and protection. It also works like a filtering mechanism. Means like the plasma membrane. Like plasma membrane allows only few materials to pass in and out of the cell. In a similar manner, cell wall also protects few of the substances to enter into the cell and to leave the cell. So let us see what is the term plasmolysis. Like osmosis, and this is means plants. Osmosis taking place in the plants. So this takes place in the plant, so it is called as what? Plasmolysis. So what is this term? When living plant cell leaves water through osmosis. When a living plant cell leaves the water, means it passes the water because there is higher concentration of water present in the cell compared to the external environment. So what does it do? It leaves the water from the cell, due to which the cell gets shrink. And when the cell gets shrink, the concentration of contents of the cell wall of the cell also shrinks, or it is passed away from the cell wall. So this phenomenon is called as what? Plasmolysis. Like we have seen endocytosis, where the plasma membrane acts as a flexible membrane where it engulfs the food and the other materials from external environment. This phenomenon, this process is nothing but what? Endocytosis. So similarly, in plasmolysis, when living cells leave the water, means they pass the water to the external environment. So during that time, what happens? The cell gets shrink, and thus it gives what? The contents which are present in the cell, those get shrink away from the cell wall. So this phenomenon is known as what? Plasmolysis. So are you clear about this? What is cell wall? What are the functions of cell wall? How does it help the plant cell? how does it support the plant, and what is the term plasmolysis. Thank you, students.